Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, it's pretty late right now. Check the time. That's not my phone. I don't know what time it is, but it's pretty late. But it's probably like 10 o'clock. But today's video, right now, I'm heading to bed because tomorrow morning I have to get up for school because it's Friday. But what I'm doing after school is what's important. I am going tubing on a snow hill, somewhere in Ohio, and I'm meeting up with some of my friends and family. I don't know. I guess a lot. Oh, right now I'm gonna go to bed, and tomorrow morning, after I stop talking and I go to bed, then that means that I'm just gonna cut straight to the chase. I'm gonna go straight to the driving to the snow hill of where this is going. I don't know if I'm in the frame or not. Let's hope I am. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the morning. Let's go sledding. Let's go. So right now, as you're watching this, it's really dark outside. But if you look through the windshield, it's not really, because we have headlights on. But yeah, I didn't do much filming of the driving because, first of all, it's really dark outside, and my camera couldn't pick up that. It couldn't pick up the image because my camera quality sucks like balls. But I'm just gonna throw in a couple more clips of just videos and just play some music over them. So yeah. Okay, so it's 11 o'clock, 11:30 o'clock at night, and it took me a good 3 hours to get to where I am. I finally made it to the hotel in somewhere in Ohio. I don't know, I'm not sure. But as you can see, I am clearly very tired. I'm actually not, because I had some coffee when I got into the lobby. But we've gotten all our stuff in here, we're all settled in, and I'm just giving you guys an update. But as you saw some footage I put up, I recorded some of the driving, and like I said, I didn't record much because since my camera isn't the best quality, it's also not the best mic quality. That's why I'm using my phone as a mic until I get a proper mic that possibly could connect to the camera. I don't know for sure. But yeah, my camera quality isn't very good, so I couldn't record things in the dark. I recorded some of the stuff through the windshield. I could record stuff, but from the view of my side window, you couldn't see. It was pitch black. there was kind of a snowstorm going on. This whole sky was just gray, and then daylight saving time is here, obviously. So it gets dark by like 6, so everything just goes to darkness after 6 o'clock. But yeah, I think we're gonna do a hotel room tour right now. My brother's in the shower, so we'll have to postpone the bathroom for now, which that won't be a problem because I can just, luckily for me, or luckily for you guys, you just fast forward straight to there. I have to wait a couple, possibly an hour, because my brother takes long showers. No offense, I'm sorry. But yeah, let's get to the room tour. I should not be doing this. I'm tired. I should be sleeping right now. My sleep schedule's like horrible. But anyway, let's just get to the room tour. Here we got the main entrance. Make sure I'm zoomed out. This is the entrance to the room next to us. I don't know why it's like that. It's kind of weird. Here is the bathroom. You can see me here. I am so tired. My brother just made a weird noise, and I'm very scared. Concerned for his health. Here we got the main area. Over here we kind of have like a little closet type thing. I don't know what you want to call that. But there's like an iron, a couple of clothes hangers, some like bed sheets, I guess. I don't know. Oh, there's a ironing board over there, and we got I don't know what you call that. Here we brought some chips with us, some trash can, got some necessities here. We got drinks, some other stuff. We got this big old TV here, which you can also see me in the reflection. Pretty cool. Here down here we have the microphone. Microphone. You can just tell I'm tired. This is a microwave. Everyone knows that. In here, I'm guessing, yep, we have the fridge. Hope I don't see a head in here. No, just a bunch of drinks. Cool. Oh, come on. All right. I don't know what's down here. Oh, you can pull that out. Never mind. Here we got just some bags here. What's in here? Another fridge? Is that a dishwasher? What is that? If so, that's cool. Over here we have this little table here where I'm probably gonna put my computer. We got another mirror here. I brought a DS with me because where would I be without a DS, right? Here we got this cool, very bright lamp. There's some shoes down there. There's mine. Here we got our cool air conditioner. I love air conditioners. I have no clue why. Big old comfy chair I was sitting in a second ago. Here we got this nightstand with an alarm clock, phone, some dual lamps here. Here we got a big bed with all my clothes and crap on it. Here we got another bed with a bunch of clothes on it. Listen, I know it's for your safety, but just imagine waking up to that, dude. I would be screaming my head off. Like, what is going on? What is going? And then I realized the whole joint's on fire. I was like, oh, I better get out here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the room tour. Now, like I said, you guys are lucky because you get to fast forward to the future. And tomorrow, I think we were going bowling. For some reason, there's just a bowling alley up around the city somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna go bowling tomorrow. I'm not sure when we're going tubing. I mean, that's pretty much it for someone's at my door. I just heard her scream. I'm scared, but like I said, we're gonna go tubing tomorrow, which is gonna be pretty fun. Or I don't know when we're doing it, but yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so instead of filming on my camera, I'm just gonna do it on my phone for now because I don't want to like make people feel uncomfortable with me holding a camera at a bowling alley, but that's where we're going right now. When are we going tubing?
Tonight at 7.
Tonight at 7, we're going tubing. I don't know why. This is gonna be like pitch blackouts. I mean, is that why it's called glow tubing? We're on the way to the bowling alley. I'll try to film as much as I can there, and yeah. All right, guys, we have finally made it to the bowling alley. Let's go inside. All right, so out there's the bowling alley, but in here they have a cool arcade. Got skee ball, got a bunch of shooting games, pinball, Jurassic Park. Got my bowling ball here. pretty nice. I can't turn it around because I have one hand on it.
Like, I know he's good,
Post
but
my bowling.
I was looking at you. You hit it, the disc.
So we just left the bowling alley and I got a 106, which is not my average, so I played pretty well. But yeah, we're gonna head back to the hotel. I think there's a pool there, so we're gonna swim for a little bit, and then, yeah. All right, guys, my parents are back from their nap, and I think we all know what time it is. It's time for sledding, or tubing, and I look like a stupid orange. We're going out to tube now. It's glow tubing, so that's why it's pitch black outside. But we're heading out there. I look like a freaking Counter-Strike source terrorist, but yeah, we're gonna go out and go skiing. See you there. Alright guys, we're on our way.
5 minutes later.
Alright guys, we have made it to the ski hill, the tubing hill. I'm just recording this part now. I'm not sure if they'll let me film while on the sled, but if they do, I'll be glad. But it's just a look at how tall it is. You can see some skiers coming down now. You can see them, or snowboarders, whoever they are, whatever these people flying. Those are skiers right there. There's two separate hills, right, for skiing and snowboarding?
Multiple roles.
Okay, so there's multiple skiers and snowboarders and all that. I think tubing is over where these colorful lights are. I mean, there's like different tracks. But yeah, we'll be over there in a couple minutes. And like I said, I'm not sure if they'll let me film on the sled. But if I'll just probably sneak it. But whatever. Let's go. We're going up the conveyor belt, guys. Alright guys, we made it to the top of the slope, as you can see. And I just figured out that I can film going down, so I'm very happy about that. So you're gonna see some crazy stuff. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh! Here we go! Yeah! This is great. Oh, I look ridiculous. It's just gonna, all right, this time it's gonna be me and my friend here. Let's go. You guys ready? Yes, sir. Yeah. We're spinning now. Oh boy.
See ya.
See ya. Oh, yeah! Snow hit me. Ah! Ah! This is so stupid. That was fantastic. All right, so this hill is a little bumpier, so we're gonna do this one.
Hi.
All right. I got it. Oh, there we go. Oh.
Here we go, guys. No goggles.
Oh my phone's covered in water. Oh shoot, we gotta slow down. I can't slow down. We can't slow down. There we go. Woo! That was crazy. My phone's covered in ice. Wow. All right, so I think that's gonna be it for here. We're gonna go down the slope. a couple more times, but for you guys will be back at the hotel because I don't want to film every time I go down the hill because, one, for my safety, I want to hold on tighter to the float thing. But yeah, we're gonna be here for a little bit more, and then I gotta run because my friend's running away from me. We'll be we'll be back at the hotel. But yeah, see you guys then. Alright, good morning guys. It is, what time is it? It is 10:27 in the morning, and we are packing up and we're going home. So, since it's daytime now, I'm gonna get some film of like the road now. So, I don't know what else to say, but yeah, we're backing up right now. We're just gonna drive 4 hours, 3 hours, whatever. Drive a lot. Just drive out. Just drive back home. I don't know why I keep stuttering. Probably I'm tired. But yeah, so we're packing up and we're going home. And yeah, so see you guys back at the house. Alright guys, we did make it home. That was a really fun trip. I really enjoyed it. I recommend this place. I think it's called Snow Trails. It's in a place called Mansfield, Ohio. As you saw, those big tower looking things. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. And let me know if you want to see more of these travel videos, because I will do them. They're pretty fun to make. But not really that fun to edit. This took like a long time to edit. I don't know why. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.